Hightopo Smart Airport Digital Twin. Use 3D visualization to replicate the complete scene of the airport. Integrate flight operation, ground services, passenger flow, core data such as security checks and facility management. Realize real-time visibility of equipment status. Intelligent resource scheduling and precise operation monitoring. It effectively enhanced operational efficiency, optimized the passenger experience. It has enhanced the overall safety and intelligence of airport management.